Hello everyone. So in our previous lecture we have discussed about the measurement of length, direct and indirect method, and also we have discussed about the various units of length, also the unit of angle, degree, minute, second, and the unit of two types of angle. One is solid angle, plane angle, all these things. Okay, every point is very important because these are what? These are nothing but tools. We have not started anything about physics now. I already said physics will start from motion in a straight line. Okay. So now we will solve some numerical, that is page number 19, example 2.2. Page number 19, example 2.2. okay, so what is given? A man wishes to estimate the distance of a nearby tower from him. Distance of a nearby tower from him. So suppose एक टावर है यहाँ पे and this is the man standing at this position nearby na. A man wishes to estimate the distance of a nearby tower from him. He stands at a point A. तो ये आदमी at a point A पे खड़ा है. A in front of the tower, in front of the tower C. Okay, so somewhere at this point, as per the diagram, C is there. He then walks perpendicular to AC up to the point B. A से B चला गया वो आदमी, ठीक है, at a distance of 100 meter. Okay, वो चला गया 100 meter and looks at O and C. अच्छा, और and spot a very distant object O in the line with AC. तो यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट है O, नहीं मालूम ये क्यों दिया है, ठीक है. अच्छा, and also looks at O and C again. Since O is very distant, the direction BO is practically same as AO. मतलब B to O will be same as A to O. But he finds the line of sight C shifted from the original line. तो ये पहले C point तक ऐसे देख रहा था ना. He was looking at C vertically in this direction, but when he walks up to this point, and then his line of sight, मतलब this is the line he is observing towards the point C ना, and this angle is given as theta is equal to 40 degree. Estimate the distance of the tower C from its original position. So you have to calculate this distance. This distance is equal to suppose h. So how will you calculate? Very simple. I don't know why they have provided this type of critical diagram. So it is very simple. This is, यहाँ पे मैं फिर से लिखता हूँ, पेज नंबर 19 का एग्जाम्पल 2.2. Why simple? You know base, you have to calculate perpendicular. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular, that is h, and base is 100. So h is equal to 100 into tan theta. So 100 into tan theta means tan 40 degree. So tan 40 degree you have to calculate from with the help of your calculator. So this is the answer, 100 into tan 40 degree. So what is tan 40? Let us have a review on tan 40. Tan 40 is 0.84. So 100 into 0.84. So this is 84 meters. So what will be the height of the tower? It is your equal to 84 meter. एक मिनट. his line of sight. So this angle is not given. पहले उसका line of sight क्या था, ये देखो थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो गया. पहले आदमी यहाँ पे था and he was looking at sea. So ये था line of sight. अभी आदमी यहाँ से धीरे धीरे यहाँ जा रहा है. तो which angle is increasing from here? This angle is increasing ना. So actually this angle is given as 40 degree. Line of sight. So it will be tan theta is equal to perpendicular will be 100 divided by base. So h will be 100 divided by tan theta. So it will be 100 by tan theta. So it will 100 by 0.1484. So answer will be 119 meter. Okay. ठीक है. Suppose you are at this position. ये टावर का top point है and you are at this position. So you are going in this direction. So this line will shift in this direction. Na? So your line of sight is changing. It is increasing like this. This is the angle made by your eye with the point C. Okay. So this angle will be called as line of sight. Okay. So 119 meters. So next one is example number 2.3. The moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B on the earth. The angle theta subtended at the moon by the two direction of observation is even given the diameter of the earth. So you are observing the moon from the earth to diametrically opposite point. So this is the diameter of the earth. This point is A, this is B. So this is suppose say the moon at this position. So this is one. So you are observing the moon from the point A. This is the moon. So this one and this one. This angle is theta. Okay. So you have to calculate distance of the moon from the earth. This d you have to calculate. So theta is equal to क्या था? Theta is equal to arc. Arc means d by distance, radius. So have to calculate d. So d will be d divided by theta. So angle is given as 1 degree 54 minute. So 1 degree plus 54 minute को degree पे convert करो. Or you have to convert directly. First you convert it to degree. So 54 by 60 degree. This is 1 plus 9 by 10 is equal to 19 by 10 degree. So in radian कितना होगा? Pi by 180 into 19 into 10. So your angle will be, the angle will be, we have to calculate that is 3.14 into 10 divided by 180 into 19. एक मिनट हाँ. वन डिग्री को अगर हम लोग कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो इट विल बी पाई बाय 180. एंगल इज 1 डिग्री 54 मिनट ना. तो पाई बाय 180 प्लस पाई बाय 180 इंटू 60 इंटू 54. और पूरा डिटेल्स में जाते हैं. ठीक है. So it will be your this is 1.74. If you do this calculation, your answer will be 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 2. You do the calculation by taking pi equal to 3.14. Then you will get 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, these conversions are critical, so it is in radian. So what will be the value of d from this formula? What is the diameter of the earth as per the question? 1.276 into 10 to the power 7. 1, and this is 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 2. So if you do the calculation, your answer will be 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Okay, in this way you have to solve. So try to draw a diagram. So if you can draw the diagram, if you know the conversion, then you will be able to find out the answer. Done. So now we will go for example number 2.4. This time this is given for the sun's angular diameter. So the angular diameter of the sun is given, that is theta is given. This is 2.4. So the sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 second. The distance d of the sun from the earth is itna. So what is the diameter? So example number 2.4. Theta is given as 1920 second. So in terms of radian, it will be pi by 180 into 60 into 60 into 1920. Done. So 0 0 cancel. So your answer will be this time. Let me check हम लोगों का मैचिंग होता है कि नहीं. So pi is 3.14 into 192. Answer divided by 180 into 360. So it is 0.0093. So here they got 9.31, 9.3 into 10 to the power minus 3. So it will be 9.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 radian. Okay. Acha, what is the distance? The distance is given as 1.496, मतलब 1 astronomical unit into 10 to the power 11 meter. So you have to calculate d. D means distance between the sun. No, this is you can consider as small d. The distance d of the sun from the earth, because we used to calculate d as the distance between two planets or two satellites or whatever. So we have to calculate diameter, na? So capital D. So theta is equal to d by small d. So capital D will be theta into small d, that is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 into 9.3 into 10 to the power minus 3. So the answer will be 1.39 into 10 to the power 9 meters. So in this way you have to solve the numericals. Okay, have patience and solve the numericals step by step, and remember this formula, that theta equal to diameter divided by distance, or theta equal to arc by radius, and all these things. So after this measurement of time that you discuss from your, that you try to study from your textbook, measurement of time and measurement of mass, not so much required. Only in this length we have to discuss till this point. After that we will go into dimensions, then we will go into error, and one important thing from this chapter is significant figures. Okay, so dimensional analysis, error and significant figures are the main course from this chapter. Okay, so we will start our dimension from our next class, then we will go into error after that, and finally the significant figures. Okay.